Another feature update we would like to discuss is the Modified Options panel. Let's open up the Options panel to have a look at what some of the options are for a column chart. We have options to hide empty categories or modify sort order in the Data tab. And we can modify our axes in the Axes tab. It looks as it's expected to. Let us clear our chart and select the single value chart type. We can quickly select some data and an organization unit to update our visualization. Let us now have a look at the Options panel when this chart type is selected. The number of options available in the Data tab has been significantly reduced, only including options that are relevant to this chart type. There is no longer an Axes tab, as it does not apply to this chart either. We can check other chart types to see if this behavior is reflected throughout the different charts. For example, if we select a pie chart and then select Options, we see there are only 2 tabs and the available options have been modified once again. If we compare this with DHIS 2.33, we will see that this is not the case. Here is the Options panel in DHIS 2.33 when a single value chart is selected. A number of chart options that do not apply to this chart can be selected. We must understand each chart type very well to know which options can be applied to it. DHIS 2.34 has rectified this problem due to the dynamic options menu within the data visualizer. That only shows options most relevant to the chart type you have selected. These are some small quality of life improvements that have been made to Data Visualizer in an effort to save time when reviewing your data. In the next part of this overview, we will discuss some additional updates made to the single value and gauge chart types that should help when reviewing your data. For any questions about what we have presented so far, please do not hesitate to contact us on the Community of Practice.